beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super exciting video. It's actually day 2 of our little p.louise trilogy that we're doing, and today we are doing it based on the Baecation palette. So yesterday we did Date Night, which is a really nice palette. I'll leave it linked down below if you want to see how I used it and how that look turned out and whether it's worth your money. But today we're going to be focusing on the Baecation one. So like I said in yesterday's video, you can get the bundle of these palettes 3 for £40, or I think they're about £17-ish each if you bought them individually if you just wanted to get the one. They are out of stock at the moment, but they are restocking apparently on the 3rd of March. So keep your eyes peeled because it'll be coming up very, very soon. So the whole kind of storyline behind this palette from p.louise is that it's meant to be like the journey from your relationship. So a date night, 2 holidays together, and then the last one, which we'll do tomorrow, is the wedding one, so wedding wish. So if you are new here, by the way, hello and welcome. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and please go enter my huge giveaway linked down below. And if you haven't already, turn the notification bell on because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, and let's be serious, most of the time I'm doing a lot of bonus videos like today's one. So like I said, this is the Baecation palette. Each of the palettes have 8 shades inside. This one looks literally just holiday vibes. So I'm going to put some p.louise base on my eyelid. I'll zoom you in and let's get straight into it. Let's do some swatches as well. Okay, so we have the shades All Nighter, Pina Colada, Vitamin C, Summer Lovin'. Oh my god, I hope it comes up on camera as beautiful as it is in person. We've got Beach Babe, Sun Soaked, Tan Lines and Paradise. And I think I'm going to focus on these 4, the first row to begin with, because yesterday's look was quite pinky, so I think we're going to go for a bit more of a warm, just beautiful kind of summer look. Okay, so I've put on some of the p.louise Rumour No. 2 base all over the eye, and I used a little bit of a different brush today. This is the Peaches and Cream PC18 brush. I just love like big fluffy brushes like this to kind of tap it all into place. Just makes it so much easier than using like a flat brush. And I'm going to try some of my Spectrum brushes that I got in my mystery box. I'll leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out. And we're going to start off with the B09 brush, which is a little double-ended one. So you have this on one end and then a bit of like a fluffy, but kind of flat, fluffy brush, if that makes sense. But we're going to go in with the other end, this side here, the little bit of an angle. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Vitamin C, which is the darkest brown here. And I think I'm going to pack this in the outer corner. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. Different way of me doing my eyeshadow. Oh my god, look at the pigmentation. When I tried the other palette yesterday, I was so impressed. I'm super excited to see what this one is like. So I'm just kind of packing this in the outer corner and then it's slightly into my crease. And I'm just using just kind of stamping motions to pack that on. Look at that colour. So now that we've got that little bit of shape, I'm going to use the end of this double-ended brush and just lightly kind of diffuse these edges. And then taking another one of the Spectrum brushes that I got in the little mystery box. This is the B07 brush, which is a nice fluffy one. I'm going to go in with the shade Pina Colada, which is a bit more of a warmer, slightly lighter coloured brown. So I'm going to take this into this crease and start kind of building it up. Oh my god. I'm going to do a bit of stamping, a bit of blending. I'm literally just going to blend this all the way through the crease and obviously joining it together with this outer shade of the Vitamin C that we put down already, just so it looks just a little bit something like that. So now that we've blended that into the crease, I'm going to take a MAC 224 brush and we're going to go in with the lightest brown in the palette, which is All Nighter, which is quite a peachy brown, which I really like. I honestly think this would be like a nice tan on holiday. It would just be beautiful. It just makes me want to get away even more than I already do. And what I'm just doing is just lightly using this, basically just to blend out the edges of the other colours that we've used, and then I'm going to go back in and re-intensify them. Okay, so now that I've gone back through all of the shades that we already put on and kind of intensified them and blended it out a little bit more, I want to go in with a shimmer across the lid again, because I just feel like you just need a little bit more when it comes to this palette, and it's definitely going to have to be this one. I feel like I have to put this on my lid. So this is, oh my god, look at it. This is what it looks like, a really, really nice metallic, shimmery kind of orangey colour. Oh, and again, I'm just going to tap this. Oh my god. I'm just going to tap this all over the inner half of the lid. Look Look at that, beautiful. And obviously you've got the second drawer as well if you want to do more of like a romantic kind of pinky look. But I feel like if you were wearing a kind of outfit that just made you tan pop on holiday and had this on, beautiful. It's so weird, the pigmentation and the feel of these eyeshadows, the like shimmer ones, it feels wet as if it's going to be like a cream. It's so weird. I think that's what makes it so pigmented. It literally just glides on. It literally just glides on. I do feel like it would have been helpful to have just one more darker brown in this palette, because vitamin C and pina colada, although they are different, they're quite similar once you get them onto the eye. Well, I don't know whether it's that, whether they're just blending really, really nicely together. So maybe it would have been nicer to have a darker brown in here. However, if you were buying the bundle of 3, then you can just mix and match between them anyways. But yeah, let me do the rest of my makeup and I'll speak to you in a moment. We'll do my final thoughts. I'll show you the final look and what else I put on my eyes. So this is what the finished look looks like. I am literally obsessed. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It makes me want to go on holiday so bad. But I'm going to show you what I put on the rest of my face just in case you are wondering. I did add to the eyes, by the way, a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Roll. It's a liquid eye pencil in Barbarella Brown. So I kind of smudged that a little bit on the kind of lash line and obviously underneath the eye as well. So I put some of that on. For my primer, I kind of went in with 3 just because, to be honest with you, I'm trying to use them up. So I started with the Makeup Obsession Illuminating Primer. It just looks like this. I put a little bit of Professional just in the areas where I've got large pores. My nose is really textured at the moment. You can probably see it on camera, to be fair, because it is really textured. I sprayed a little bit of the Pixie Glow Mist, which is like a nourishing spray actually. So I'll put a little bit more on because I put this on as primer. Foundation, I put the Hella Flawless Oxygen Wow foundation from Benefit on. This is like the old packaging. This one's in the shade I'm Some Money Honey. I also use the Benefit concealer in the shade number 2. This is a cakeless concealer, like the little boy one. This is just a little mini one of them. For powder, I use the Airspun Loose Face Powder. This one is just a translucent one. Just a normal one. And then for brows, I use my Wonder Wax in Fudge. I originally went in with the clear one, but I found it leaves a bit of like a weird cast, so I kind of topped it off a little bit with Fudge, and I tried to use different brow products and I don't even know what I've got left on the brows, but definitely Fudge is on there. Eyelashes, I put on some of the Doll Beauty Jasmine lashes, which I got in my mystery box from Doll Beauty that I bought for Valentine's Day. If you want to pick up any of the Doll Beauty stuff that I love, I also use the highlighter today as well, in like a diamond. Please check out Training Wings Boutique on Instagram. It's a small business that stocks doll beauty, so if you want to support a small business but still get your doll stuff, would really recommend. They can post it to you if you live in the UK, or they can drop off if you live locally to the store. So yeah, would really recommend. And obviously I am a brand ambassador for the company as well. It's my friend's company, so please, if you can, support a small business and pick up your doll stuff from there. What else do I have on my face? Oh, so for bronzer, I thought I'd change it up a little bit, and I put on some of the Beauty Bay Beach Bronzer. I've got some of the Peachy Blusher on from Beauty Bay as well. Absolutely love the brushes and bronzers that they do. Obviously, you know that I've got the Baecation, which I'll come to in a moment, on my eyes. I've got the Ardell top and bottom precision mascara on. I've actually only got the bottom one on underneath. And for my top lashes, I used the new Makeup Revolution 5D mascara, which was very kindly gifted to me. For lips, because as all know, I just absolutely love my lip combinations. This is the Peaches and Cream Feline Lip Liner. And then I went over the top with, is it Lychee? Lychee? This is the liquid lipstick in Peach Kiss. And then I wanted it a bit more glossy, so I went in with the p.louise Holler lip gloss, which I believe was limited edition, but sometimes they bring it back in bundles and special offers and stuff, so do keep an eye out. But yeah, they also have that as well. I think that is literally everything that is on my face. I don't think I've missed anything out, but if I have missed anything, please just leave a little comment down below and ask me. I'll be more than happy to help. But let's get back to this palette. I am literally obsessed with how this has turned out. Such a simple and really, really easy makeup look. And I feel like it just looks it looks really good. Would highly recommend. The pigmentation is really good. It blends really easily. The shimmers are buttery soft. They feel kind of wet to the touch. Really easy to apply, especially with your finger. Just kind of dot it on straight away. Bish bash bosh. I can't wait to try the Wedding Wish one tomorrow, so keep your eyes peeled for a brand new video tomorrow trying the Wedding Wish palette from them. And obviously I will leave yesterday's video linked down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to my patrons. We've actually got 41 of yous now. Thank you so much, Hannah, for joining. Yeah, thank you so much to all of yous who've been absolutely lovely. If you want to join my exclusive community, it's basically like a exclusive Facebook group, exclusive group chat. We do exclusive giveaways, do motivational quotes. We do absolutely loads on there, and I absolutely love it. So if you want to join, it starts as it's £1 a month. I will leave it all linked down below, and a video kind of explaining it and what it does and all that good stuff as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for another p.louise video. Bye guys.